Goa's legislators today voiced concerns and problems related to the tourism industry in their constituencies. With mining shut, the state is, according to some legislators, heavily reliant on tourism. And worryingly, despite its importance, tourism in the state is not seeing any improvement. Let's take a look at what some of the MLAs had to say on the issue.
Honorable Speaker, आमचे मायनिंग बंद केलें तेन्ना 2012 by the BJP government, आमचे कितें जालें? We had to fall back on tourism. Tourism was already declared an industry, and tourism industry is the only golden goose today आमकां. Tourism industry मेले जाल्यार, tourism industry गायले जाल्यार आमचे सगळें काबार जातलें हिंगा. Outside Goa destination आहात ते सवाय ऑफर करतात. Outside India, in the Far East, they are offering cheaper destinations, very welcoming way of inviting guests. And आमगे competition मागे फकत नाक आसलो ते लोक येतात आमगे. And what type of quality tourists we had, they are decreasing, and we are not having anything. So I think that the government of Goa, the international tour केलो ते. I say that these international tours which have been done are total waste of money. And why I say total waste of money? Kon gel te tourak, I asked the Honorable Minister to kindly justify how, in this answer which was given to us, LAQ 3B, which was on start question, 17/7/2024, I have no problem when an Honorable Minister goes for any international tour. No problem now. But when your OSD is taking a tour, OSD hoten na, ani bill aate 1 crore 4 lakhs, without minister, kon minister barabar gel zalyar, I think this needs to be inquired.
Speaker sir, under the Swadesh Darshan scheme, the Donopal jetty was renovated. I was under the impression that once it was renovated, it would be used for the locals. But unfortunately, there's a gate that has been erected there, and now the locals cannot use the jetty. The same jetty used to be open throughout for decades. Now it is closed at 8 p.m. So Speaker sir, the locals cannot use it. They are stopped at the gate. They used to go there fishing or even just go for a leisurely walk. It is not only the locals of Donopal, but like almost everyone from Goa used to visit there. And now I understand the importance of tourism and making Goa a preferred destination and trying out various things to bring Goa on the map as one of the places that people should come to, but I don't think it should be done at the cost of the locals. Now the locals there do not want these events to happen there, so I would like the minister to just clear this and tell me exactly what is in his mind.
Speaker sir, जेन्ना आमी ट्युरिजम म्हणटा सगळे जाण कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करता बीच ट्युरिजम, हिंटलँड ट्युरिजम आमी विसरता, आमी हेरिटेज ट्युरिजम विसरता, म्हणजे फाटी धरता. मेडिकल ट्युरिजमाचे व्हडलो प्रभाव जालो 2012 ते 17 की आमी मेडिकल ट्युरिजम गोंयांत हाडटले, इतले बरे फॅसिलिटीज दितले, अशी ऑपरेशनां करतले, तशें करतले, हें आमी पळोवंक ना. वी हॅव नॉट सीन द लायट ऑफ द डे. स्पीकर सर, त्या टायमार चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणटालो आपूण आमचो मनोहर पर्रीकर, आय विल इम्प्रूव द क्रूज ट्युरिजम इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, म्हणजे क्रूज ट्युरिजम भरपूर वाडटलें म्हणून. आयज मिनिस्टर आमचो 2-2.5 वर्सां जालीं ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टरा रोहन खंवटे, तेणें आमकां सांगपाचें आहा वॉट आर द प्लॅन्स ऑफ द स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट एंड द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट टू इम्प्रूव द क्रूज ट्युरिस्ट हू आर कमिंग. आमचें एक्सपोजिशन ऑफ द रेलिक्स, सिक्रेट रिलिक्स ऑफ सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर, हें प्रमोट करपाक आमचो मिनिस्टर खंय वचपाचो आहा. 4 म्हयने उरल्या, 10 वर्सांनी येता एक्सपोजिशन येता. मिनिस्टरान खंय एक्सपोजिशन वीच कंट्री, म्हणजे युरोपाक मेन आहा ते, आतां पोर्चुगलाचे लोक, स्पेनाचे लोक, फ्रांसाचे लोक आनी बाकीचे युरोपियन म्हणजे इंग्लीश लोक मोठ्या प्रमाणात येवंक शकता. जर आमकां फॉरेन ट्युरिस्ट जाय जाल्यार मोठ्या प्रमाणात स्पीकर सर आमच्या गोंयांत एक्सपोजिशनाक लोक येवंक शकता.
आमचे वागातोर, अंजुना आणि कायसुआ, this is a being a coastal belt. Let me come talk about the lease agreement. signed by the tourism department with of the various properties. Speaker sir, ये lease agreement अंजुना propertyचे आणि वागातोर propertyचे. These properties were bought, taken by tourism department specifically with the subject of beautification of Anjuna beach and beautification of Wagator beach म्हणून. आणि निमणे ब्युटिफिकेशनाचे एक कांयच दिसना आणि सगळे लीज अग्रीमेंट करून ते शर्मांक आणि सगळे भायलांक दिले. आय वॉन्ट टू नो स्पेसिफिकली फ्रॉम द ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टर इन हीज रिप्लाय, एक पूण जागो आमच्या अंजुना नाजाल्यार वागातोर उरला काय म्हणून आमच्या फ्युचर जनरेशनाक लागून. I want to know from the tourism minister, एक पूण जागो ब्युटिफिकेशनाक लागून उरला काय आमच्या जनरेशन नेक्स्ट नाल्यार तुज्या जनरेशन नेक्स्ट when we take our maybe grandchildren on the beach to show them that बाबा आमी आमदार आसतना हो ट्युरिजम मिनिस्टरान केल्लो.
वास्को सगळ्यात पयलीं पोर्ट एरिया वास्कोन, रेल्वे स्टेशन वास्को, एअरपोर्ट वास्को, पूण वास्को जाय तसो आमी डेव्हलप करूंक शकले ना. आज खंयचोय सपोज एक फॉरेन टुरिस्ट उदकांतसून हातूंतसून येता, दर्यांतसून येता जाल्यार तो पयलो आमच्या मुरगांव तालुक्यान येतालो आनी थंयच्यान तो सगळें पळयतालो. पूण इतलें आसून पसून आमी तें डेव्हलप करूंक शकले ना.
Vincent Rosario, Subhashish Govekar and Bhakti Pai Balgi for Goa 365.